Hey guys, I got a 96 Chevy here and I got an O2 sensor code. This is my personal vehicle, so I'm not going to worry about changing the O2 sensor. We're going to clean it. Let me show you how we do that. It doesn't last very long, but it will last a little while, and it saves me from getting one. So if your paycheck's a week or two away, here's what you can do. Let's crawl up underneath there and get the O2 sensor out. Got a 7/8 wrench. This is bank one, sensor one. So this one's pretty easy to get to. I just loosened it already. So here's the clip. Just pull that little blue one, that blue clip. I can't get in there. There we go. And then you just snap that down. You pull this right there and it just comes right out. And then loosen it up. I've already broke it loose with the 7/8 wrench. Pull it out. Now, if you look real closely down inside here, there's these little tiny sleeves. Right there's one. Right there's one. We're gonna tap it on the concrete. See that white stuff coming out? That's clogging the pores on the inside, not letting it read. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's the soot from the exhaust. So I'm going to keep tapping this out and we'll stick it back in. Okay, so I tried tapping it out. There's a bunch in there. So I'm prying it open now with a screwdriver. And again, this is my personal vehicle, so I'm not too worried about it. Now, if you look down in there, you can see all kinds of soot right there. So I can get at it with this, but I'm gonna need to pry another one in order to get it out, maybe. See those big flakes coming out? Right there. So it's definitely a bad O2 sensor, but we are going to make this work for the time being until we can go grab one, which in my case will be tomorrow or the next day, but I want to let you guys know in case you needed to wait till a payday or a week or two. So, all right, now I'm just going to push this back down. Let me grab a pair of, actually this old brake shoe right here will work. I'll tap it back into place. Oh my gosh, good as new. All right, let's get up under there and let's put it in. Okay, so before I put the clip on, I'm gonna tighten this up because those wires gotta spin. If you put the clip on, you start tightening it, you're gonna be like, darn, shouldn't have put that clip on yet. So let's tighten her up really tight. That's good. Stick that clip in there. Hopefully with one hand. There it goes, I heard it snap. We'll put the blue retainer on in a minute. Let's see if our check engine light went out. Thing was running like crap. You had to hold the brake to keep it running. No check engine light. Choke's holding up. Choke just dropped. Hopefully 800-900 RPMs. There it is. It's good as new, guys. Well, again, this is a temporary fix. This is not a full-time fix. She's working beautifully. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.